Next, let us look at the different operating modes. There are basically three operating modes of an operating system in any robot language. ആദ്യത്തത് monitor or supervisory mode. The second is the run or execute mode, and the third is the edit mode. Now, what happens in the monitor mode is, as you can see in the diagram itself, it can take the commands from the teach pendant and directly it can load it into the robot controller. Or it can actually also monitor the whole operating system, whatever is coming under it. For example, first is it helps in defining the position with the help of a teach pendant. Then entering sufficient speed for operating a robot. That is again in the monitor mode, because once you set the speed in the monitor mode, then you can only call that speed and then ask your program to basically make the robot run in that particular speed. Similarly, the storing of programs in the memory, that also is possible only in the monitor mode. Then you are having the transfer of the stored programs to robot control memory or even to other communicating systems. And then the last one, as it is written here, bringing back the existing program for performing other tasks like edit and run, and all these are basically under the monitor mode or supervisory mode. It's just like the operating system has different rights. So the admin rights, like we have in certain cases of social media, we have admin rights. Just like that, the monitor mode helps the user to use the operating system to do all these tasks. Whereas in the edit mode or in the run mode, you don't have this. So what is there in the next mode? In the next mode is the edit mode. What we see in the edit mode is that we can write new programs or edit existing programs. Okay. But here you cannot do the communication. You cannot send these programs. That can be done only in the case of the previous mode. ഏതായിരുന്നു മോണിറ്റർ മോഡിൽ മാത്രമേ അത് പറ്റുള്ളൂ. എഡിറ്റ് മോഡിൽ നമുക്ക് എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. നമുക്ക് പുതിയ പ്രോഗ്രാംസ് എഴുതാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പഴയ പ്രോഗ്രാംസ് എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ദർ ഇസ് എൻ ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ സെറ്റ് ഫോർ റൈറ്റിംഗ് ആൻഡ് എഡിറ്റിംഗ് ദ പ്രോഗ്രാംസ്. മൂന്ന് രീതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് എഡിറ്റിംഗ് ഓർ ഡിലീറ്റിംഗ് ദ എക്സ്ട്രക്ഷൻ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദയർ ഇൻ ദാറ്റ് എക്സിസ്റ്റിംഗ് പ്രോഗ്രാം. The second is we can write a series of instruction lines in a program using this edit mode in between. Or third option is, if you want to increase the program, that means if you want to increase the capability of the program, you can add new lines to the program. So all this is possible when the operating system is in the edit mode. So a person who is doing this edit mode, he will be only able to edit the program. He will not be able to handle the functions that are handled by the monitor mode, which only certain persons will, having the monitor mode right, will be able to do it. The last one is basically the operating or the run mode or execute mode. Here it is basically used to just execute the instructions. There is nothing. A person who is entering the robot language structure in the run mode, he is only capable of running the program. And when you run the program, obviously you get the errors also. And those errors you can correct with the help of the language debugging methods. So these are the three modes of the operating system, and this completely comprises the structure of a robot language.